JOBY Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, and I'm telling you this with actual proof. It's taken me 5 years. It's all on my YouTube channel, you know, and I've documented what's working, what's not, so you can actually start begin making real money. And with Joby itself, for me, it really began way back then. Like, I'm talking when the price was really low, when I began buying, like longing the crap out of it. It was $5, only aiming for like 6.6, 8 months. Like, this is late October, right, when I made this prediction, and since then it reached 10, so it went from 5 10. That's a double. And then from here I also cut a one previous long, which is approximately around, yeah, $6-ish, and now it's 8-ish. So that's great, man. Like, all I'm looking to do is just double down furthermore from here, right? So how's all this gonna look like? Well, yeah, man, it's very simple. Like, this is my top. Joby, here we have that. Oh, I have previous receipts in the Discord, but like randomly getting involved, it's not going to be my cup of tea. I'm praying for a little pull downs and some sort of a shift, but I'm going to keep an eye and not force anything. So stay tuned. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.